Mayong udto kanatong tanan. The gospel today offers to us a very challenging command and a very challenging kind of a mandate of being disciples of the Lord. However, it is always a dynamic to our human nature that unless we are challenged, we will never grow as a person. Because if there are no difficulties and we are never challenged at all, then we stay complacent and we remain where we are and we will never grow as a person. Mao yun ang atong mamatngunan. Usahay makaingon ta sa atong kinabuhi kaway challenge oy. Pero kung kita ma-challenge na, anha na makit-an ang atong mga creativity, anha na sad makit-an nga daghan pa day tag kuwang ug daghan sa tag-angay pangayoon sa Ginoo. Then therefore, the very mandates of discipleship is never easy. Do not think that to be a follower of the Lord is an easy task. But it continues to demand from us and it continues to challenge us. It will never stop challenging us. Because if it will stop challenging us, then therefore, it loses its power over us. Mao na nga di gyud ta maguna-una nga dili ta kanunay hagiton sa Ginoo bisan og kanunay na natong nadungog ni maong ebanghelyo, but it offers to us a new and a fresh challenge in order for us to improve and more so for us to be dependent on God. However, even if we acknowledge the difficulties and the challenges being laid upon us as a disciples of the Lord. But this is not only about us being challenged by God. It's not only about our efforts for our response to such a kind of challenge from the Lord. Think that this is in the context of relationship. Ngang Ginoo nga nihagit kanato is also the same God who offers us a divine aid in the form of graces and blessings. He will never leave us alone, surmounting the challenges, but He is with us. He is accompanying us. He is providing us necessary graces for us to surmount our challenges. Nga makaingon ta nga, wa ram dayta gilisod-lisod sa Ginoo, apan ang Ginoo nga naglisod-lisod kunuhay nato, ni apil man di ay sa kalisod sa iyahang mando kanato. Nga dili pareho sa mga amo nga kutob ra sugo, apan amo di ay nga mo'y nanugo, apan mausay miuban og kuyog aron matuman ang iyang gisugo. And that is somehow, though limited in the scope of our kind of understanding, but that is who God is. He will never just a spectator. It's not just a God who is from afar, but He is a God who journeys with us. He is the God who commands us, and yet He is the God who empowers us. Kay kun ato ning sabton ang Ginoo nga misugo siya tungod sa konteksto sa iyang relasyon kanato. He will never be comfortable of seeing us surmounting a lot of difficulties without Him at our side. He is always with us as we continue to learn the challenges, as we continue to somehow feel that the Lord is not abandoning us, and as we continue to be assured that the God who commands is the same God who empowers.